at least 50% focus on one basic issue. Is there a cure for vitiligo? How can I cure my vitiligo? Or will the product XYZ cure my vitiligo? This is probably the most difficult question to answer. That is mainly because the word cure does not mean the same thing to all the people. Some of the people use this term for complete eradication of all the roots and traces of vitiligo from their body, while others are simply looking for an effective remedy which can bring color back to the white patches in their skin. If you are one of those who are looking for something that would eradicate the basic abnormality from your system once for all, that is a tricky matter. Vitiligo is an autoimmune disorder, which means your body starts producing antibodies which start destroying the pigment producing cells of its own. Well, bluntly but honestly speaking, there currently are no acceptable permanent means to stop this process completely and forever. But that should not dishearten you or anybody for that matter. It is not that there is no solution to your problem. You are not in fact looking for the right thing. Your basic problem is that certain areas of your skin have lost their pigment and have either become lighter or totally white. This is certainly and very much amenable to treatment, and there are numerous methods to handle this issue. The minimum and the most urgently available remedy is a camouflage in the form of a makeup. But you can also look for a more rewarding treatment like tacrolimus, PUVA, UVB, herbal sorolin therapy, and of course some latest surgical treatments as well. You just need to stop chasing your dream of a permanent cure and start looking up for what is possible, what is within your reach, what suits you, and where to get it. There certainly is a remedy which shall suit you best. You just have to look for it, find it, and start using it.